Good morning my friends Kaborgi. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to replace a zero paper on HP Designjet T1700. The first thing you need to do is to remove the empty paper from the spindle. Remove this spindle from the lever. Now, take out the empty roll paper from the spindle. Remove the plastic. Make sure to remove the tape before you insert the new plotter paper to the spindle. After making sure the tape is removed, please insert new plotter paper into the spindle. Now, it's time to properly attach this spindle with new paper to the plotter. Please insert the paper into the feeder and observe it until you notice that the feeder sucks the paper properly. As you notice, it's automatic allowing the paper. Now, it's time for you to select the type of paper you inserted into the plotter. Make sure to check size of paper from the package. Then choose the size of the paper into the setting of the plotter. Now, the plotter is correcting the skew of the paper. Let's wait and be patient to complete the process of correcting the skew of the paper. As you notice, the process is complete, and it's asking you to close the cover. Now, it's time for you to check if you properly complete the process of replacing the paper off this plotter. This is how to replace the paper off HP Designjet T1700. Now, we're done. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.